Hey guys, I am wearing a top. It's just a boob tube. If it falls down a little bit, I've cut it off right at my nipple, so hopefully you won't see anything, but it might look like I'm topless. In today's video, guys, I'm going to be showing you the Desi and Katy collection with Dose of Colors. They sent me this amazing box. I'm super grateful. This has got their entire range that's available now. It's got a bunch of new products as well as some of the most loved from their last release. The most exciting thing, I think, would be the Friendcation palette. And then they've got the Fuego highlighter, a brand new Chasing the Sun highlight, and then 6 lip colors. Before I go ahead and do a look, because they did re-release some of the products, it means that I have doubles. So I'm gonna do a giveaway. I've got 2 Fuego highlighters. That means someone will win my spare one. So in order to win, just leave a comment within the first 12 hours of this video going live, which means you of course have to be part of the notification squad. So if you're not already, subscribe and turn the notifications on. Also, thumbs up the video. They also re-released the over-the-top gloss. I would give that away, but these are worth like a shit ton of money because they're so rare. So I'm gonna go sell it on eBay for like $500. I'm just kidding. I'll probably save it for a future giveaway on my channel. So yeah, good luck. Okay guys, should we start with the eyes? This is the Friendcation palette. I really like the packaging. I guess it's like a rose gold matte kind of packaging. Damn, I just painted my nails. I'm like afraid to open this. I love, is this Lurex? I feel like it's Lurex. I went to a concert and Shakira was wearing pants made out of this fabric and I really want these pants. Anyone know where I can get them? Oh, damn, it's so sexy. Like, I really love the combination of colors in this palette. Really nice mix of textures as well. I have a feeling, oh shit, I did not know that that shifted purple. It's like purple from one angle and blue from the other angle. That's nuts. That's beautiful. I've done some blue looks lately. I also filmed a green look lately. Some of the neutrals are a little bit too warm for something that I would normally use, but I'm totally gonna go ahead and just go into it so I can get that Desi Katy look. I'm just gonna see where I wanna go with this. Let's just try something fun and like chat and pretend like we're friends in real life. So I should probs prime my lid. And for that, I'll use the NARS Tinted Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. Ooh, a little goes a long way with that. So yeah, clearly I already had a lot of makeup on, guys. I put my foundation on, I put concealer, brows, all that jazz on, even my contour and a little bit of bronzer. I baked under my eyes because I don't know what these eyeshadows are gonna be like. First up, oh, they have the names on the back. I'm gonna take Necessary on a little brush. I'm using a Smith brush. Pretty easy to blend out. Like, I have been doing this for like 2 minutes and it's blending well. I'm gonna go straight ahead and do the brow bone. I tapped off most of the excess, but. Okay, I've got a smaller brush. I'm gonna take churro. Listen, I'm trying to learn Spanish. My husband's Argentinian. Give me a break if I, you know, pronounce something weird. Oh, she has pigment. Looks really nice. Really beautiful. I honestly absolutely love Dose of Colors, especially their Block Party shadows. It looks as though some of these are the same kind of formula as the Block Party ones. And honestly, they are the best eyeshadows ever if you like a shimmery, glossy finish. I'm then gonna do something unexpected. I'm gonna put Just a Kiss on my lid. Hell to the yeah. That is so divine. Yo, I love that. Once again, I'm not topless. I'm not out here trying to get demonetized, guys. YouTube, please. On my inner corner, I'm gonna take Dirty Money as the pop of color. Taking Cheens now, it's darker brown. It didn't swatch nicely, but that's not usually an indication of what it's gonna look like on the eye. And what do you know, it's beautiful. That shade is so smooth. Goodness. Whoa. That's really intense. I'm dabbing just a kiss back over the top so that I get it fading over the brown as well. Got Dirty Money on my pinky. I'm just trying to make sure it's all popping in there. I'm now gonna do mascara and false lashes. Gonna take Girl Bye. I've decided to add a bit of something else under here. For lashes, I'll take the Lily Lashes in Can. Marc Jacobs All That Glitters eyeliner. Okay, eyeshadow done. I think the look looks awesome. The eyeshadows are really easy to work with and there's some really pretty finishes. I love what came out. I'm loving the Sweetie Pie bronzer from Too Faced lately. This brush, by the way, it's by Smashbox and it's called the Sheer Powder Brush. I love how flexible and quite dispersed the bristles are. It's not very dense, so it allows me to like really kind of flick on my bronzer and build it up slowly because I have a habit of putting too much on. So they released two highlighters, Fuego and Chasing the Sun. Chasing the Sun is a bit deeper. Fuego is from their previous release and that's the one I'm gonna use. It's super pretty. You know, I've kind of gone off highlight lately. I feel like I don't wear it as much anymore. But that's gorgy. I just put a little bit of eyeliner on the outer corner of my eyes, guys, because I was feeling like I needed a little lift there. That was the Hyper Sharp Wing from Maybelline. I love that one. Highlights on. I think it's really pretty. I really thought it was gonna come out too yellow for me, but I think that it looks really good and I'm totally gonna reach for it more often. I feel like I didn't reach for it enough before and now, oh, I'm gonna reach for it all the time. I'm pumped about all the new lip colors that they've got. So they released the 5 new colors and the original gloss. So they have the Most. That's another top coat style clear lip gloss with a bunch of glitter in it, so pretty. Then 2 liquid lipsticks, My Main and a Mauve Story. A Mauve Story is something that I'll totally wear all the time. And then they've got 2 bullet lipsticks, Hey Girl and Aftermath. And for me, I definitely think Hey Girl is one that I will totally wear. And then there's Over the Top as well. Mwah. So I'm going to try My Main. This is totally not a color I would normally choose. It's a very brick color nude, but let's give it a go. It came out a bit of a darker peach on me. I have to say, I like it. I think I'm gonna put over the top of that. I think the gold glitters will look really nice with the eye look. Wow, I cannot remember the last time I did a lip color like this. I don't think this suits me as much as pinks and like cooler nudes do, but it is a welcome change and I think it's a very pretty color, especially on really warm skin tones. So I love that. And it came out well with those browns that are going through my socket as well. I think that calls for the end of the video. What do you guys think? It's definitely super dramatic. I wanted to try a warm, glitzy eye look. Little pop of Dirty Money on the inner corner, and I hope you guys like that. Before I go, I just want to give a shout out to my husband. We've started filming with a second camera, that's you guys here, so that I can switch between talking to you guys like this and giving you some details up close. So thumbs up, guys, for my husband Sebastian, because that was his idea, and if it's all coming together in this video, then hopefully it looks really cool and you guys find it helpful when it comes to more details with the eye look. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you loved this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.